muestran las puertas cerradas, eso es una clara indicación de que los compartimientos están completamente llenos.
Turn up. Turn up. So we just landed. I'm so tired. I slept the whole flight. And how long was the flight? The flight was 2.5 hours. We left like 30 minutes late. But we here. Hey. Nosotros estamos en Costa Rica. I don't know if that was right, but it was close enough. So right now we're in the rental, well, we're on the way to the rental vehicle. So we're in the shuttle. And yeah, we're gonna get a little rental. Hungry as hell. Okay.
The one that I brought to the
Hungry as hell. So this is our car. What is that?
Where you going, sis? It was the trunk. It was the trunk.
About to crash. He ain't even left the damn lot. About to crash the whip.
We got the 55-day insurance. I was like, wait, I know it was a trunk. No, I really thought the car was moving. That's just so absurd.
What's the name of this restaurant? Pollo del Monte. We're at Pollo del Monte. We're about to find out if it's good or not. Chicken tenders a la Costa Rica. It looks so good. Vegetarian over here.
I got the same thing.
And them two got the same, we all got the same thing.
What's the other one?
Motherfucking right. We was worried. Like, it's looking a little dusty.
Hello. So we're checking in to, do I give you the names that was given at the gate? Kristen, Chanel, Kadeen, Jonelle. Thank you.
One time I did an ATV or
I had a friend who that night.
yeah.
Oh, you want to learn to go?
No, I went to the stairs. I was still going to the
On Saturday or Sunday, I recommend going to Tortuga Island. It's a cruise. It's all day. It's like the thing starts at like 7:40. They pick you up like 7:15.
Okay.
And
What can you do there?
Not got it.
Thank you. Struggle.
A little cafe.
Like on the left.
This is so pretty. We have to take pictures right here. I'm just saying.
I know. Okay, I gotta do an entrance video.
This literally looks like a picture.
Yeah,
frame.
this is crazy.
Casa Diana.
Oh yeah. Oh,
It's
nice.
fogged up from the AC.
Oh, yeah.
This is you guys.
This low-key look better than the pictures.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. Look at the damn photo.
Oh.
Just this one?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm getting that.
It doesn't work.
Aww. Oh, that's nice. Bro, talk to me nice. Yeah. Oh.
Wow, this is so pretty.
Okay. Yo!
This is fucking beautiful.
This oceanfront view is
This is so pretty. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
They have those jacuzzis down there though, right?
Yeah, I'm not sure if there's like a cabana bar right there.
Oh, there is?
What time do they close?
Oh, it's fine. It's okay because I'll be out here. This is mad nice. Oh my god.
This is so nice.
Alright.
Where's my phone? So this is gonna be my room. Me and Chanel are gonna share a room, and this is gonna be our room. And it's so cute. I ain't wanna share a room, but you know, it's the nicest room, so it gotta be shared or whatever. It's fine. Kristen's room. She got the stand-up shower. Hey. This is Kristen's room, bathroom. She has a view of, well, it's so foggy, of the mountains. This is a nice view too, I'm not even gonna lie. Damn, I wish we were staying here for longer. And then this is Kadine's room. She also has a view of the mountains. Very nice, very nice. She has a nice, oh, our bathroom looks very similar. Ooh, hi, nice bathroom. When, tonight? Mm-hmm. Ooh, questions I need answers. Yeah. Get these bitches.
So you know what? Okay. I should have come back and so the lighting is better in the bathroom. Alright, time to go. Yeah.
We ready to go out?
I forgot my mask. Y'all got masks?
Oh shit, I gotta get my mask.
I got my mask.
Let's try this again.
This is a fashion show. Y'all the time.
For us.
Them niggas was obsessed. He's out here.
This is a vibe. They about to close.
I know, right? Oh, it looks like they're closing up. I'm back.
They are closing up. Oh, they're so cute. So we are getting food. We can't sit down and eat anywhere because everywhere is closed at 9. So it is to go. What? Oh, I'm just talking to my vlog. It's so humid, it's raining. But you know, we're in the rainforest, so. You want to sit here for a bit?
Let's take a bite. You're gonna fold it up and put it all in your mouth. I'm not gonna want it.
Children. Oh shit.
We go for it. We go for it.
Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah, let's stop that.
So vlog, we are back in the house because everything closes at 9 in Costa Rica. So we got tacos, as you guys saw, and they were pretty good. Well, Chanel got salmon.
I did.
But we went to a taco spot and Kadine's drink was nasty, and let me tell y'all how they was not about to give her money back. They were not about to let her get a new drink. They were just about to try to fix it and make it better. And when they came back with the better drink, it looked a lot worse. I didn't taste it, but it looked a lot worse. And Kadine's face said that it tasted not good. So the lady was like, okay, here's your money back or whatever. And now we're back in the Airbnb because everything's closed. Everything's closed. So that's our night. So tomorrow we're gonna try again. I like the swimsuit top with the shirt.
Right? Yeah. I'm gonna quickly try the cargo since that was the original plan. These cargos.
Good morning, YouTube. Day 2 of Costa Rica. And the sky is clearing, thank God. Look at our view. Isn't it beautiful? Orange glasses?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Good morning. Good morning, bad bitch number 1. Bad bitch number 2.
Y'all feeling that?
I'm feeling that.
I'm feeling it. Cause she the only one in pants. I mean, that's not a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
You like it?
Yes.
Yay!
It's giving.
It's giving.
It's giving.
Bad bitch number 2. Ew. Bad bitch number 3.
Hello. How you doing?
Ew. And bad bitch number 4. That's me. Today we are going ATV riding and ziplining, right? We're doing both?
Uh-huh.
Okay, yeah. We're doing ATV riding and ziplining. And we're trying to color coordinate orange. And it's working. It's working. It's working out. Yeah, so we're trying to get something to eat beforehand. What time even is it? Damn, I wish I had my Apple Watch. Not for real. So we're trying to go get some breakfast beforehand, but ATV riding is at 10. I don't know what time it is right now, but I don't know. So yeah, and then afterwards, I don't know, we're gonna try to do something water related because we are right by the beach. We have a pool and stuff. So, you know, yeah. So, super exciting. So we can get around. We are currently on the shuttle to the ATV and ziplining. Cute in our little orange. Right? Kristen right there.
After you're done, you are welcome to your lunch. There, cocktail, beer, whatever.
Oh, cocktail.
Alright, okay.
What?
Okay, thanks.
Ooh, chat.
Jet skiing. Y'all want a jet ski?
When? I'll be down.
I don't know. Somebody had told me they have good jet skiing over here.
I'm down.
No. Did we get jet skiing together?
No, we didn't.
is a margarita.
That's what I'm saying. Love that for us. Hey.
So we just finished ATV riding and it was so much fun.
It was.
We got so dirty.
It was so, we got disgustingly dirty. We rode through cow shit.
Yeah,
Cow poop. And it splashed on some of us. Disgusting. But then we got to go to a waterfall, a little tiny little beanie little waterfall that y'all saw. And we got, it was a vibe.
It was nice, the natural pool.
Yeah, it was very nice. It was very nice. Lots of fun. Our guide was amazing. He was awesome.
I drink so fast, like when I have alcohol. It's a problem. Oh my god.
So now I'm gonna drink. Oh, so we're taking a break for an hour and then we're gonna go zip lining after that and then we're gonna go back to the hotel because oh yeah. Oh shit, yeah.
It's the helmet. It's the
helmet, yeah. I don't see it on you.
I just have a line.
No.
Over here laughing her ass off.
What was I saying? Oh yeah. So we're taking a break for an hour, then we're gonna go ziplining, and then we're gonna go back to the Airbnb, and then we have to call Enterprise to come get our car because our car would not start this morning.
It's still bad?
So they have to come and fix it or give us a new one, I don't know. We're gonna see. But yeah, that's our day so far.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so cute. I know, right? I cannot wink. That is so embarrassing.
Are you always gonna get anything?
Hello. Thank you. Wow.
Bathroom, where is it? In there? There's one over here?
Oh, yeah.
Right over there with those guys.
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna give you my phone. If it turns off, $95. I'm gonna be in the bathroom.
Yeah. If you use the restroom,
Alright,
ready? Yeah. You're gonna be wearing full body harness.
Okay, I just went, so I'm good.
Yeah.
You're ready, just come here to start putting your gear on.
Dora always made me want to punch the TV. I like Go Diego. That's what I was. Between Dora and Bruce. Do you see the clue? I feel like that's not what
You have to say, my personal Y'all remember Lil Bill?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Iconic.
His little ball headed self.
I don't even remember.
What about Kai?
Yeah, the black okay. Why can they hear bald headed?
My idea.
I'm just gonna use the front seats, okay?
Dinner. Yeah.
Did you get your photos? No. Like, if you go to that's what I'm trying. Whatever you want to delete.
I'm already going down the path.
Do you love this? You gave away your fork, Janelle?
Huh?
You gave away your fork?
I think there's another.
What is that? Thank you.
Thank you. Good night. John's like, how do we do this? Oh, I got.
Thank you.
Just got pulled over by the cops, you guys. Yeah. Racial profiling. We just got stopped by policia.
He ain't even looking. Jesus. Where is he at? Y'all look. Parking right there too in front of that silver car. You want to ask them? Yeah. Something? What should we ask them?
What are we asking?
I'm actually black guy.
What time does it close?
What time do you guys close? Can we come in? Hi, can
Hola.
we come in before you guys close?
Ladies, close this 9:30.
Okay.
9:30?
Everything is 8:30.
Okay.
And now it's just food. Maybe
Oh, it's
later.
full?
Maybe later for after party.
There's an
Where's the
after
after party?
After party for later for different locations.
Okay, where is that?
You parking is coming for WhatsApp for location.
Okay, we will.
Okay.
Y'all know y'all want us in there.
I know, right? He looking like.
We fine. He like, wait, hold
Oh,
up.
I see black guys. Yes.
Yes! I'm so glad I got that on camera. I'm so glad. Oh my God, black guys.
Girl, and let's go and walk on that side. You see all that black folks?
No, that's a yellow. There's like a bunch of parking.
Oh.
I seen 2 spots as we drove right over.
Okay, y'all just let me know where. Okay, we need to follow that. Oh my God.
This is like Kristen. That's the only way to parallel park. You gotta back in.
You're fine. That's what I'm saying.
Like, what's the other way to get in?
Scary ass driver, that's all. No, it's not.
No, just go. That's not how you parallel park.
Go. No, I'm not leaving. Go.
Fine, how you were. I mean, because look how far out that truck is. Just turn back in to the right. You're good. Just go forward a little bit. Wow, I feel like I had space and I just deleted. You did something with my camera when you had it. Don't blame me. I'm gonna blame you. Blame me, it's okay. It's too late. It doesn't matter. I need some Jesus in my life. Amen.
Like 10 seconds left.
Like you.
Take that camera time. No, there's other stuff. I commend you. Y'all be holding each other down.
Nah, I'm just like, this conversation was like, kind of heated.
He made it extra.
No, I believe you. I believe you.
He was joking with me, so I was like, okay.
She poured alcohol on me like I was a video vixen. I'm so calm.
It was an accident.
Wet,
it wasn't just you, okay?
Oh, is that what happened?
I make sure she was good. I was like, that.
I had a drink and I went like this, and then she said, and we sitting there like, damn, it's still pouring. And then I was like, oh.
As the like liquor like trickling down my back.
Oh,
This nigga stayed there. He could have stood up.
Yes.
He just let it. He's like, it's okay, it's okay. And I'm like, no, it's not okay.
Hey. Turn up. Turn up. Hey.
Ooh, you got hella space on that drive.
I do. I don't know what setting it was on. It's a video.
I was naked. Let it show that I got on some clothes. Okay, there we go. It's wet though because you know I spilled my
GS. Old school love. Got to jump out the GS.
Where did I put my wrist? I went to go get it and don't know where I put it. Oh yeah, this is from Texas. She used to love that music. For real?
How much is the boat and how much is I can do that.
Hey guys, so I realized I haven't really been talking to y'all, but we're at breakfast right now. What is this, day 3? Day 2?
Day
2.5?
2.5.
This is day 2.5. It's Saturday. And we're eating breakfast at, what's this place called? Rustica?
Soda Rustica.
Soda Rustica. And this is breakfast. Who's everybody else? Breakfast. I don't know.
Wait, is this like the real price?
It is. And it's really cheap.
Y'all was being weird. Yeah. He's like, wait a minute. with the wang. You can call me Whitley, I go to Hill Maine. Listen, I'm the baddest in the school.
Your booty doing some stuff in those pants. That's what I think. We're going jet skiing and we're hoping that the weather stays right. No. No. Hello.
There is a little case on the jet ski. You can take your sunglasses, sunscreen, and your cell phone. You got it right there.
A quick video. Yeah. Hey, stop! Put this on. No! I'm having fun.
Oh shit!
Love it. Okay. I don't even think I talked yesterday about what we did. What did we do? Jet skiing. Boy. Wow. At least you had this on. Right. So it's our last full day. And yesterday we went ziplining. Not ziplining. Yesterday we went jet skiing and it was so much fun, even though it started raining halfway through, but it was still fun regardless. And that's really all we did. That kind of took up our whole day because we have to drive an hour and a half to go jet skiing. But again, so much fun, do not regret, had a great time. And then we left there, came back, got some food. We had a little situation in the Airbnb. Some guests. Did I record any of that? I think I did. I recorded some cool. But that was interesting. That was interesting. But anyways, today we're gonna go see some waterfalls. Gonna go swim. Some waterfalls. And yeah, hopefully our last day is successful. And now we're waiting on breakfast. I'm starving. Right now. Made me wanna get with you. But a friend of me. I'm in the bathtub, rubber dubby. Shawty, let me hear you tell me one more. Who? Oh no, I was. It was not looking at the restroom. My business. I'm like, why would she do that? We are at Uvita Waterfalls. I don't know why I said that like that. It's raining in the rainforest. Shana, I don't think you want a picture right now.
I know, no.
Oh, damn.
Is anyone up there? Is anyone up there? Okay.
Question. Yeah.
I wanted to go to jacuzzi. They have one.
Last day. It's time to go.
They got a whole maze down there.
I know, right?
I would have been for a picture.
It's really time to go. We're at the airport. We're about to take our COVID test to get back to the States.
Yep. Well, a shuttle to go to
shuttle.
I can talk.
Yeah.
COVID testing site.
Yeah. So if you come to Costa Rica, if you come to Costa Rica and you need a COVID test to get back to the States, you can get it at the airport. It's gonna be $50 and you have to take a shuttle. Just so y'all know. So guys, we missed our flight. And we missed our flight because of the COVID test.
Yes, we missed our flight.
We didn't make it to our flight, so they put us on the flight to Orlando. So we're gonna go to Orlando, rent a car, drive down to Fort Lauderdale. It's gonna be a long ass day, that's all. So I'm about to eat my little burger.
I mean, I don't think I'm that good.
And prepare for this long ass day. And that's gonna be really the end of this vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching.